Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. And today we are continuing our R2 build. We have issue 57 right here, and it looks like we have parts for both the leg and the dome. So let's get it open and let's see what we got. Alright, these are the parts that we get with this issue. We've got two more double-sided tape, another dome panel, the infrared sensor, and the inner foot casing for the left leg. Alright, we'll start with the dome panel here. And this is going to be one more space to the left. So it's going to be the space that has the two little holes right above it. And because this one has an off-center hole in it, orientation is a big deal. So when you're putting it in, make sure that the writing is facing right side up, and that when you're looking at it from the outside, the hole is to the left, much like this. But we will attach it the same way we've attached all the rest, by putting the double-sided tape on the top and bottom of the hole, and then filling it in with the dome panel. And there you go. That's what it should look like when it's completed. For the next step, you'll need the left leg so far and 5 of the 6mm black screws. And what we're going to do is on the underside of this, and I lost the power bus connector, so we'll throw that back in a minute. But on the underside, you'll see the section where the infrared sensor is going to go, and it can really only go one way and have the screw hole fit. And we're going to use one of those black screws to attach it. Alright, and with that screwed in, you'll want to take the cable that is hanging out here, and we'll just plug that puppy in as well. And there you go. And with all of that in place, we can put the housing on, and it's really just going to slide on like so, and it should just line up quite neatly. You're going to want to make sure that the cable here for the infrared sensor goes inside the housing. Go. And just take a quick look around and make sure. Oh, forgot to put the power bus thing back on. There we go. And you just take a quick look around, make sure everything's lined up properly. And then you've got 4 screw holes for the remaining screws. And there you have it. Looking neat, looking nice. And stage 57 is completed. And there you go. Another stage completed, yet even more progress made. I'm liking the way the dome is looking at the moment. And this, yes, we technically can test the sensors now that they're all here, but I want to wait for the cover panel to come in so we can get that installed and make sure that that does not interfere with the infrared sensor. But once that's in, we'll run a test of all the sensors on the left leg as well. If you like the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.